Hello everyone, 16 years of providing housing loan and mortgage services. I'm Katsunao Sekine, a financial planner. Mortgage interest rates have fallen sharply in recent years. But just 10 years ago, floating interest rates were typically in the 1% range. Recently, as mortgage refinancing rates have become cheaper, there are increasing inquiries as to whether it is better to refinance mortgage. Currently, mortgage interest rates are low. So many people want to refinance, but refinance costs a lot. Does refinancing a mortgage pay more for those costs? Today, we will explain the benefit of borrowing a 30 million yen mortgage with repayment period of 35 years and an interest rate of 1.2% and refinancing it with a 0.5% interest rate mortgage 10 years after borrowing. I think many people are considering refinance a mortgage loan. What I want to know is the benefit of mortgage refinancing. Let's look at the different cost and interest on mortgages. Suppose you borrow a mortgage in 2010. The mortgage loan amount is 30 million yen. The borrowing period is 35 years. And the interest rate is floating rate of 1.2%. Interest rates are calculated to rise 0.5% every 10 years. Here is the mortgage repayment table. Put the red part up. If you borrow a mortgage with 30 million yen, interest rate 1.2% and period of 35 years. The monthly repayment is about 87,000 yen. The interest part is 30,000 yen and the principal part is about 57,000 yen. And here is the total interest for 35 years, 7.4 million yen. So what would be the cost of refinancing a mortgage? It's here. There are two types of costs needs to refinance your mortgage. One to pay off your old mortgage and the other to pay for a new mortgage. To pay off your mortgage, it will cost you to erase your mortgage. And the cost of borrowing a new mortgage is stamp fee, mortgage administration fee, guarantee fee paid to the guarantee company, judicial scrivener fee, registration tax. Suppose you refinance your mortgage after 10 years. Repayment table when interest rate is 1.2%. This is 10 years later. 10 years has passed since the initial mortgage loan and it was January 2020. The mortgage balance at this time is about 22.6 million yen. Early repayment fee of 30,000 yen. And after paying the mortgage, it cost about 20,000 yen to erase the mortgage. And the cost of borrowing a new mortgage. The stamp fee at the time of the contract is 20,000 yen and the administration fee is 2.2% of the borrowed amount. So it is 500,000 yen. A guarantee fee is not required for a net bank. And the judicial scrivener fee is 20,000 yen. And the registration tax is 100,000 yen. Click here for the total of such expenses. Total expenses will be 740,000 yen. Now let's calculate the mortgage interest rate. This is the total interest. When the floating interest rate of 1.2% is paid off in 10 years, the total interest for 10 years is 3.17 million yen. The refinance your mortgage. The loan amount is 22.6 million yen and it will be borrowed in 2020 with a term of 25 years. The interest rate is 0.5% increasing from 2030. Here is the calculate with this. Here is the repayment table. The monthly repayment is about 67,000 yen. In the case of the interest rate of 1.2%, the repayment amount was about 87,000 yen. So the difference is about 20,000 yen. And there is no big difference in the principal part of this repayment. What I want to see is this interest part. The interest portion for an interest rate of 1.2% is about 22,000 yen. But the interest rate of 0.5% is less than 10,000 yen. So the ratio of principal part is interest is completely different. And here is the refinanced mortgage. The total interest for 25 years is 2.76 million yen. Check the total cost of refinancing your mortgage. If your mortgage loan is borrowed at the interest rate of 1.2%, the total interest for 10 years is 3.17 million yen. If a mortgage loan is made at an interest rate of 0.5%, the total interest for 25 years will be 2.76 million yen, and the refinancing costs are 0.74 million yen. Click here for the total. It will be 6.67 million yen. Here is my first look at the 1.2% mortgage rate. 7.4 million yen. Here is the comparison. If you refinance, you can see that there is a benefit of 0.73 million yen. Now that mortgage refinancing rates are getting cheaper, more people are refinancing. However, on the other hand, there are many people who do not know how much refinancing benefit will be and cannot make a decision. If you are interested, we recommend that you consult with a financial planner.